My name is Vicki Harper. I'm the Director of Client Services for BWM Chartered Accountants based on Castle Street in Liverpool. BWM help organisations of all shapes and sizes, so we help business clients with their business needs, their accountancy needs, their tax advice. We also help with their payroll services and helping to look after their employees. Then we also help individuals with their own private tax matters. They might be landlords, they might have property. And we also help them with their families and their trusts perhaps, and succession planning and leaving money to future generations. And we're also very proud of our history of working with charities in Liverpool. And so we act for over 150 charities, and they need our help with the compliance matters such as accounts and audit and independent examinations. And they also really appreciate the added value that we bring to the work that we do. So be that helping them to find trustees for their trustee board, be that coming along to our regular seminars that we hold that are always free for the sector. We try and help in as many ways as we can, and I think that's why we've got such a good reputation in the charity sector. So BWM have got roots dating back to 1926 in Liverpool. The firm was most recently formed through a merger of Breslin Walsh and McFarlane & Co, and that was 6 years ago, and we were known for a little while as BW McFarlane, which was a bit of a mouthful, and so we've just in the last year become BWM. We do what we do primarily to help our clients comply with the regulations, to fulfil their obligations with regard to Companies House, HMRC, but then there's so much more to it than that, and actually the most valuable part of our service is the advice that we offer, the helping clients to make decisions, and these can be huge decisions about the future of their businesses, the future of their own finances. And what we also take a lot of pride in doing is not just being stuck in the past, but actually helping clients to plan for the future as well. So as a firm, we very much stay abreast of technology changes. There's a huge amount of technology change coming at the moment, particularly HMRC are looking to take more and more of the tax world digital, and also then, more importantly, even using in technology in their lives to actually speed things up. So a business owner now can run their accountancy function from an app on their phone. There are things that will save time for that client. They can have their bank information directly linked into their accountancy software, and then at the other end they can actually run really great reports. They can look at forecasting, what if scenarios, what if they were to buy this business, what if they were to take on 2 more members of staff. And that future vision and that future planning and using technology is probably the most valuable part of the advisory services that we offer to clients today, and it will certainly be tomorrow as well. As a firm of accountants, we help clients of all shapes and sizes with their accountancy and tax needs, and that can vary from, say, a small business that is starting up and wants to understand how to register VAT, how to submit their first year's accounts, how to do their first tax return, through to much larger businesses that are perhaps looking at merging or selling. We also help individuals with their tax matters. We help them with things like family trusts. And one of the specialities that we focus on as well is the charity sector, and we work with over 150 charities across the northwest and predominantly in Merseyside, and they might need us then for their annual accounts, they need us for audits, independent examinations, and anything else that they need on an accountancy basis. BWM aims to be very approachable as accountants, and we think it's very important that clients and potential clients can check us out, get to know us before making a decision about appointing us. What that means then for a client is that they can ring us up, drop into the office. As I say, we're just based on Castle Street, so we're very accessible. Give us a phone call, drop us an email at inquiries@bwm.co.uk, and effectively we'll respond. We always respond very quickly. We usually, if it's practical, invite that person in them for a meeting, meet the team that they'd be working with, meet the partners, get to know them. And I say this is without obligation. This is a getting to know you chat. And from that point then we'll provide a tailored menu of services for the clients with the fees. So we're very transparent about what our fees would be, our basis for payment, and then a client can basically let us know what they would like us to help them with. Maybe initially they want some help with the basics, but as time goes on they might find that they actually need more advice around the business and the development of the business. So the idea is that it's very much a flexible approach. It's very much around spending time with the clients, understanding them, and then that's the essence of our service, is about having a happy client at the end of that. The best person to contact at BWM is probably myself, so Vicki Harper. You can get in touch with me on the phone, 0151 236 1494, or just drop me an email. It's Vicki with an I, vicki.h@bwm.co.uk. You can also contact us at our website, which is www.bwm.co.uk. And actually on our website you can read lots more about us. There are profiles of all of our managers and partners, and you can get in touch with whoever you like really, but you can start with me and I'll get back to you.